the different options you have with our reports. First, go to your documents. Here's a list of our favorites. In case you need to know how to add a favorite, you can refer back to add a report or document to your favorites video, and you can take a look at how you can add a report or document. So we're going to double click on our welcome letter. We're going to select the loan. We're going to select Tina 1000 as our loan, and we're going to run the report. So this is our report. You have some options here on the left. You can export this report as an Excel, PDF, or Word file. And you have some other options on the right. So you have some actions that you can take. This action here allows you to send this file. It will send a PDF file to your docs and logs located on the loan. So it already knows which loan we have. So in this case, we have Tina 1000. So if we were to click this, it's going to bring up this field, this window. This window is to add additional notes. Maybe you want to add some additional notes. You have different settings down here for different types of reports. Maybe it's a report that you need, you need to process or you need acceptance yet, or if it was rejected, any type of report you can set up with these different statuses, and you can add a reason. You can also add, like I mentioned, your notes here. Once you hit OK on here, it will save a PDF file to your docs and logs on the loan, and I'll show you that in a bit. The next action is send as email. This will bring up a window that has pretty much some basic configuration for an email, and at the bottom you have this PDF attachment. So it will attach your PDF as long as you have all of the email configuration from inside of Loan Servicing Soft set up. You will be able to send out emails. Now you can refer to our email setup video in order to understand how that is all set up and configured. From here, we can also apply a template. So we have email templates that you can create. Right now, we should have a default template. So right now, it pulled up a generic template. We can double click on it. And here it just says, here's a generic email template to configure your templates. Configure your templates by going to the control panel, email templates. So again, we have another video on email templates, and you can refer to that if you need assistance. But this here will send out an email with the attachment. Just know that there is a functionality here, and this is where you would go. Now, the third option that you have is you can send it to a batch. What this just means is you can select an array of loans. So you can have a list of loans, and you can pretty much have our system generate PDF files or whatever type of files we have, Excel, Word, onto a folder. And if we just click on here, this is our screen that we get. So right now we're going to be saving this as a PDF, and we're going to be selecting which loans we want. So in this case, you can select one loan. You can select multiple loans. This feature is intended for multiple loans, so you can just select multiple loans here. You can select multiple loans by using the Shift and Control keys. So on your keyboard, just select all of these, and then you can hit OK. Then you can export this to a folder. So you would click on this box, select your folder, and you have the ability of naming this whatever you want. So this is a prefix, so you can say welcome letter or just welcome, and you could append different things here. You could append the date, the account number. Typically I like to just append the account number. You can also append the date, whatever works for you, and then you can hit run batch. This will create PDF files for all of these accounts, and they will be going to whatever folder you have set up by clicking here. Okay, and then you also have the option of going into this folder, whatever you set up here, by clicking on this Open Export folder. Okay, so now going back here, just know that these reports are customizable. They use Report Builder 2.0. It's a free Microsoft product, and if you do need assistance, configuring and setting these reports up, we can give you additional assistance. We can teach you how to build your own reports, and bring in additional fields, make some layout changes. It's very easy to use Report Builder 2.0, so we really recommend you download that and give it a try. So now I'm going to go to Tina 1000, and if we go back to our loans, we can click on Tina 1000, and we can select her docs and logs, and you'll get her welcome letter here. It tells you who created it, when they created it, and we can double click on it, and you will be able to see any notes that you had attached to this entry. Now, in order to view the PDF, you just need to click on View Document, and it will bring this document up here. Okay, so this is the document that it saved, and there's different options of saving documents and where it's saving, as far as either the database or an external drive somewhere, or just a folder structure. You can see additional videos on how to do that. You also have the ability from here to save this somewhere off. You can save this to another location. You can delete this report, and there's additional options here.